Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. So today's video is all about the review of the new COVERFX Power Play Concealer. So yes, it's a new released version from the COVERFX brand. So this is the product. So there's another foundation from the same range, the Power Play foundation as well. I tried that out at the Sephora store. I actually liked it, but I just thought like, okay, let me just try out the concealer first and then I will go and purchase the the foundation. So I bought this concealer and I'm in the shade G Medium 3. So this is how the packaging looks like, and today we'll be talking about like a complete review about this concealer. So is it worth investing in it, because pricey for a concealer, so you can actually get a foundation, like a good full coverage foundation, for that price. So like when you're investing in a concealer for that much of price, so yeah, we'll check it out. Is it really worth investing in this one? And to talk about my skin tone, I have like warm undertones in my skin, and my skin type is basically a combination skin. So previously my skin was a little drier before, but I am actually using like a lot of moisturizing products on my skin, and yeah, it actually settled down into a combination skin now. So okay, let's just see how this is going to work on a combination skin, and how this is going to cover any spots and everything about it. So this concealer, I'm going to use this out for highlighting purpose under my eyes, my bridge bone, and everywhere where should I highlight. So yeah, so this is how the packaging looks like, guys. I literally love the packaging. I mean, like, I just felt that this is like classy and cute, like a tiny packaging that just goes well into your travel kit, or when you're just traveling, you can just carry this one. And yeah, I just felt that's cute. And yeah, it comes in this transparent packaging with a silver cap on it. And then the applicator is literally amazing. I love this applicator. Can you just see the applicator, guys? Yeah, is my camera in focus? Yeah, can you just see that applicator? It has got that ball-like applicator. I mean, like, this is the first time I'm seeing this kind of applicator in a concealer. So the previous concealers are all literally like, a different kind of applicator that you get, the flat kind of applicator. But this is literally this ball shape, which is quite different. And yeah, it's actually very easy for application. When I tried out in Sephora, I found that it's actually easy to put dots everywhere where you just want to. So yeah, let's just try this out. So I'm placing some dots like this under my eyes. So first I'm just putting this concealer on one side so that we can actually see the difference between the other side and this one. Okay. And I am actually applying this a little bit in the inverted triangle formula, form, because I want to basically highlight with this concealer. And I'm also applying this on my chin, around my mouth area, on the bridge of my nose. I'm taking a little more product. Oh my god, the applicator is amazing, guys. Literally, I just feel that, like, the applicator is amazing. I loved it. It's very easy to apply with this applicator. So yeah, let's just blend this out now. So I'm taking the damp beauty sponge. So on the back side of this one, they gave that you can actually work this out with a brush or a sponge or your finger. So I'm gonna blend this out with a sponge, a damp sponge now. So this concealer actually comes in 40 different shades, guys. So picking a right shade match for your skin tone is damn easy with this concealer. So which is like, again, a good plus thing about this concealer. Because when you just want to highlight, or even if you want to do some correction or concealing thing with a concealer, you just have to find a good shade match. So when you have like 40 shades out there, you can literally pick the right shade match for your skin tone. And yeah, I actually loved the coverage that it's giving, but I think I can actually go with another coat as well. And let's just see how it works with another coat. Let me just blend out everything first. The blending is really easy, guys. They just say that is a matte formula, but it is not like a very, you know, like a completely drying matte formula. It's not actually very patchy on my skin. So I just feel that it's a kind of comfortable matte formula. As far as for one coat, it didn't give any flaky kind of look. So the blending is also very easy with that. Yeah, I actually love the formula. Can you see the difference between this side and this side? I'm actually able to see that in mirror. So can you guys just see that? I just want to put another coat and see how this is gonna work if I layer the product. So I layered quite a bit of amount under my eyes, but over here I just want to put it a little, you know, less. So I just toned down that a bit less. So now I'm gonna blend that out. Wow, I love the way it is actually blending, guys. I mean, like, this is just so crazy. It's super easy to blend. Wow, I actually love the coverage as well that it is giving. So yeah, can you guys see the difference now from this side of the face to this side of the face? I kept actually 2 layers under my eyes with this COVERFX concealer, and I feel that it's actually quite good. I'm gonna check, are there any dry patches? So yeah, let me just... So yeah, there are not any dry patches, guys, so it's actually stable. I mean, like, it didn't give out any dry patches on my skin. And the blending was super easy, like really comfortable, and the formula is actually a comfortable matte formula, though they stated that it is actually matte concealer, but you know what, it's actually a kind of comfortable matte formula. It's not like very drying on skin. So yes, guys, I am actually done with my makeup now. I set the concealer with some powder, did my little contour, everything of it. So yes, now let's just quickly talk about the pros of this concealer and also about the cons of this concealer. So firstly, coming with the pros, the things that I loved about this concealer, one thing is like packaging. I literally found this packaging is like really cute, and like it's actually handy. You can just actually throw this in your you know, like your wallet or clutch, and you can actually go anywhere when you're actually traveling or something. Is actually very comfortable to put this in your bag or in your travel makeup kit. And apart from that, I love this applicator. The second pro is its applicator. I just love this, like, you know, the cool this ball applicator, which is actually a different when it comes to a concealer for applicator like this. And the application with this applicator is damn easy. I love the way it's actually applied. And then coming to the shade range, I love the shade range, guys. It has got like 40 different shades out there, which is amazing. So you can get a very good perfect match to your skin tone. And coming to this, you have like shades like, you know, named like G medium 3, like G plus medium 4. So which indicates that if it's like a G plus, then it has like more golden undertones to it. So I love that differentiation in that, which is again another pro of it. And then coming to the application of it, I love actually how it blended out so well. I mean, like, the coverage that it gave was amazing again. And you know, it is actually a matte formula foundation, but that is what actually the brand says. But when I applied on my skin, which I have like a combination skin at the moment, so I would say that it is actually perfectly blended out. I mean, like, it didn't leave any flaky kind of effect on my skin or any chalky or powdery effect on my skin. The blending was amazing. So I didn't find any kind of flakes or chalky effect or, you know, any kind of dry patches with this concealer. So blending this concealer was damn easy. Yeah, I love that. And the coverage is also really good. When I tried out, I really loved the coverage as well. So I loved everything about this foundation, guys. The concealer, guys. I loved everything about it. And yeah, this is actually a 10 ml bottle, so which comes for a price of, oh yeah, let me just quickly check the price of this one. So sure, actually comes for $30. So yeah, so this is the concealer, the Power Play concealer, and that comes for like $30. So yes, only I have like one con about this, guys. The thing is, so if you have a little bit of dark circles or a little bit of pigmentation, your under eyes or anywhere, you should actually layer up this product. So you cannot get rid of them in one application or one swipe. You should actually layer this product. And the thing is, the pro again here is that even if you layer this product, this is working amazing. I mean, like, you will not find it patchy, you will not find it cakey or anything. So because the blending is easy and everything is easy, like, even if you apply like 2 to 3 coats of it, so even with 3 coats, it's amazing, it's not cakey. So yeah, I loved everything about this concealer, and definitely for $30, because there are many other concealers that are actually for $30 in the market, like NARS and everything. The NARS is actually $30, and it comes for actually 6 ml. Oh, this is actually a 6 ml product, and it actually comes for $30. I love this concealer again. And this is actually $10, and it actually comes for $30. So which is actually amazing again. This is actually a radiant finish concealer, but I just feel that this is not actually a very matte formula. It's actually a very comfortable matte formula. So you can actually pick this one. Never mind, even if you have like a little combination skin, you can actually go with this one. Even if you have dry skin, you can actually check this out at store and see how that works on your skin, because I don't feel that it's actually the true drying matte formula. So there are chances that this may work for you if you actually give some good moisturization to your skin and apply some Fix Plus or, you know, some kind of thing. You can actually see how make it work for your skin. So yes, guys, I love everything about about this concealer, and I'm super happy that I purchased this one. So I'll be even trying out the foundation from this range again, because I love this. I wanted to pick that one as well. So yes, guys, I hope that you find this review helpful. In case if you do so, please don't forget to hit that like button, guys. And also, yeah, please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, which I will be leaving down there in the description box below. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be uploading new videos on every Tuesday and Friday. In case if you don't want to miss it out, please do hit that subscribe button, guys. Okay, we'll be seeing you soon with another video, guys. Till then, have a great day. Bye.